Let's begin the match. And 3, 2, 1, go!
And we are off for the start of qualification match number 68 here on Croft field number 2. Both alliances are on the move with robots firing from the near and far launch zones. For the Red Alliance, we have Mech taking that far launch zone, and they are joined by Galactic Narwhal's Chicken Effect Diamond. Over on the near side, we have Mega Infinity, who is joined by Cyber Michiana.
Drivers, pick up your controllers.
As we enter the driver-operated period, we have a lead by the red team. It is less than 20 points, though, so it still could be
3,
anybody's
2,
game.
1.
And we are off. Near the far end of the field, Galactic Narwhals is doing their part for the blue team, being boxed out by Mech, though. Right in the near end, we have Mega Infinity doing what they do best. They are cycling, picking up from that ramp, opening that gate, and closing it right away so that they can get as many artifacts in as quick a speed as possible. Back to the blue side, we have Cyber Michiana, who is doing the same as Mega Infinity, rivaling them. They're trying to keep each other within several artifacts of each other to keep the match as close as possible, though it seems the Red Alliance is pulling ahead. There does seem to be some aiming issues from the far side due to the heavy defense being played by both robots who have been over there. Galactic Narwhals is continuing to make use of that far launch zone, even though they are competing with Mech for that space, with several penalties on the field at this point. Mega Infinity choosing to open up that gate one more time. We have under a minute left in gameplay. These teams have their jobs to a T. Both alliances have a member that is making use of this near launch zone, while their teammate is staying from afar so that they do not interfere with each other and that they can work as quickly as possible. It is important to note that Mech is doing a great job at keeping the Galactic Narwhal Chicken Effect team away from that launch zone, even though they are having a bit of accuracy problems themselves. Mega Infinity has changed their mind. They have changed up their strategy. They're no longer going for that gate as
Winner is Red Alliance with a total of 280 points. There you go.